Here we have a 69 plate Ford Ranger WILDTRAK ECOBLUE. Now this vehicle comes with the 20-inch alloy wheels, all in excellent condition and unmarked. We have the wide arches, the sea grey metallic paintwork. We have the LED daytime running lights, the Ford Raptor style front grille. We have the front lowered nudge bar as well, the bonnet lip. Round to the passenger side, you find we have the side steps along the bottom. We have the WILDTRAK stickers on the bottom of the front doors, grey door handles and door mirrors. We have the black trim around the windows with the wind deflectors as well. We have the roof rails up top. We also have the Pegasus rear load bay cover. We have front and rear parking sensors with a reversing camera. Round to the rear, you find we have the tow bar at the bottom. And then walking back round to the driver's side, you find that this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. So if you take a look at the interior, coming into the back first, you find that we have the leather interior, we have the orange stitching, foldable armrest in the centre, we have the fixed ISO points as well. We have the brushed metal door handles and the electric windows. Again at the front we've got the leather interior, we have the WILDTRAK logo embroidered on these front seats. Both the front seats are heated, driver's seat is electrically adjustable. We have the electric windows which are locked for the rear. We also have the electric power folding mirrors, the auto lights and the auto wipers. We have a multifunctional steering wheel with the cruise control and the speed limiter just there. We also have the lane keeping assist. We have the two digital screens either side of the dashboard, the main infotainment screen as well in the centre. If that screen's flickering, that's just the camera, it's not flickering in real life. On here you find the likes of the sat nav. We also have the DAB radio, we have the Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, a range of media, we have the ambient lighting and much more. There's a look at the climate control, the heated seats, we have the ice cold air conditioning, 12-volt connectivities, USB ports, we have the four-wheel drive high and low settings as well. But that's all I'm going to show you guys today. If you'd like to find out more, then please check out the website. This vehicle comes with a fresh service, fresh MOT, HPI clear, competitive finance deals and free nationwide next day delivery. Thank you for watching.